on a day like today. It makes you just not really want to get up and get moving. What a dreary, drizzly, kind of inconvenient day out there. It's not flooding. We're not talking about heavy, intense downpours or severe weather. It is just a rainy day, and it's a miserable day. 46 degrees right now in Philadelphia. It's not all that cold, so this is going to be all rain, and temperatures are actually going to be warming up, especially if we get any kind of a lull. When the rain is actually falling, tough to get temps to start warming, but we'll see that as the day goes on. Right now, though, we're seeing some pretty intense rainfall around the city. Some of the steadiest we've seen here right along the Schuylkill Expressway, so going to have some low visibility here, some puddles, some road spray, and that continues right down 95 through Chester toward Wilmington. So got to leave yourself a little extra time. I know it's hard to get moving on a day like today. It's hard to give yourself that extra time, but these commutes are going to be slow, as Chandler will be telling us, I'm sure, all morning long. Clouds and radar again showing this is kind of the first wave, but notice this system extends all the way down to the Gulf Coast. So we'll still be seeing waves of rain continue not only this afternoon, but later on this evening, and another round as a cold front slides through tomorrow morning. So for today, pretty easy forecast. It's just rain, rain, rain all day long. Now it will be a little bit lighter to the north. There's a warm front which is just south of Philadelphia, and a lot of the moisture will be riding along that boundary. So I think the rain will be a little lighter through the day up in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. But that said, it's just going to be raining all day long. Now it is mild, especially to the south. There's that front, kind of a stationary boundary, which will try to progress north into the day tomorrow, but rain will be with us all day long. Now notice tomorrow morning, here comes this front. We'll start the morning with a few showers, then it clears out a bit in the afternoon, and we get this little break in the action. This will be mainly tomorrow afternoon into Saturday morning, where we may even see some sun, and it stays mild. A new low starts to take shape here right along that same boundary, though, along the tail end of the front off the coast of the Carolinas, and kind of connects with an advancing system moving in from the south. So this is Saturday night into Sunday morning, and this is going to pull some cold air in with it. Because it's so mild as the system takes shape, it is mainly rain, though this is the European model. You can see as it moves offshore, and Sunday night, colder air comes in. If there's any precipitation left over, could change over to a brief period of snow or a mix. Greatest likelihood for that is basically the Poconos on north and east into southern New England. Here's some good news, though, as far as today into tomorrow. We're looking at generally maybe a ½ inch of rain, possibly up to 3/4 of an inch or an inch. But again, this is not enough rain, especially extended over this long time frame that we'll be looking at the threat for any widespread flooding concerns. There will be some ponding, some storm drains could be backed up, especially with the snow melt. So you will see some puddles and things like that out there, but not a widespread flood threat today. Here's your weekend forecast. If you're planning things out, Saturday's your better day to be out and about. Most of the day is dry. A few showers could creep in by 8 or 9 o'clock Saturday evening, and then Sunday is a cold rain all day long, 44 degrees, and again, it will be with us all day. May even end as a few flakes mixing in near the city, possibly Sunday night, but best chance of that is far north and west. So your next 7 days, enjoy that little spring warmth, that spring-like warmth tomorrow afternoon into early Saturday. If you want to get outside and go for a run, I know our Waukesha Bailey's strong-arming everyone into doing the Broad Street run this year, so if you want to start training, Friday night and Saturday, the time to do it. Sunday, the rain returns, and it's chilly again next week. Chandler.
Thank you, Kate. I love that we're starting that.